My papier-mâché mixture was 1 part water to 2 parts Elmer's glue. I blew up balloons to a fairly small size. Bigger balloons pop too easily. Then I taped balloons together near the bottom. Some clouds had 3 balloons and some had 4. I dipped strips of newspaper in the papier-mâché mixture and squeezed the excess off. Make sure both sides of the strip are thoroughly covered, then squeeze the excess again. When you lay the strip down on the balloon cluster, smooth out any air bubbles and flyaway corners. Repeat this process until the entire top surface of the cloud is covered. Allow the strips to dry. It took about 20 minutes in the sun. Then flip the cloud over so that you can cover the other side with papier-mâché. Follow the same process with covering the strips and laying them down flat against the balloons. If your strips are too long, you can use the extra to cover spots you missed before. Once again, allow the strips to dry. I put them in boxes so the wind didn't blow them away. Apply at least 4 layers of papier-mâché to each of the clouds. If you don't use white paper for the outer layers like I did, I would suggest painting the surface white. Next, measure the length of fishing line you'd like to have and cut it accordingly. Use that piece as a guide for the others. Cut 1 piece for each balloon in the cloud. Hot glue several of the pieces together on one end. For a 3-balloon cloud, glue 3 pieces together. Make sure the ends are completely surrounded by glue. Have one person hold the glued end above the center of the cloud, while someone else hot glues a piece to the corner of the cloud. When the glue is set, put a piece of tape on top to reinforce the glue. Repeat these steps for each corner of the cloud. Start hot gluing polyester fiber to the surface of the cloud. It's helpful if someone else holds the fishing line out of the way. Keep gluing until you can't see the paper underneath the fluff. Then flip the cloud over and cover the other side. When you're done, you'll have a completed cloud. Hook a paper clip around 2 out of 3 or 3 out of 4 pieces of fishing line. You should then be able to hold the cloud by only the paper clip. Here's a closer look. Slide the paperclip onto the metal grid in the ceiling, just like you would slide it onto a stack of papers. Try to avoid the fire sprinklers when you're doing this. Then enjoy your fluffy 3D clouds.